Yo, what's up? This is DJ Nate, and I'm gonna do an unboxing, an epic unboxing. So I already had to get it open because I got 3 packages today. So let's just get in there, get busy, dig in, see what I got, and just let y'all know these all came from capcitypop. Like I said, I think they're awesome. You need to go to Whatnot and check them out. They do a lot of work on Whatnot. They also on TikTok and Facebook and all that stuff, Instagram and all that stuff. But I always watch them on capcitypop. They on eBay, but I always watch them on Whatnot, capcitypop. So thank you for some great stuff. I'm sure, pretty sure. Cool. This record is supposed to be on one of my earlier albums that I ordered, and he sent me the wrong one. He sent me this one. Sent me it later. But yeah, this is Naomi Akimoto. She's rolling 80s. Awesome. Here's a record that everybody loved, Kaze Omikaze. Been wanting that one, so he found it for us. Can't wait to check that one out. Then here's Misato Watanabe, Eyes. Yeah, don't have the old me, but it has the hype sticker and string, original string. Love that. She's getting a haircut. Here's a record that I won. I won this on the, as you can see, I won this on the show. And that's what time they give giveaways. They do a follower giveaway, and they do a buyer's appreciation giveaway at the end of the show. So I got Malta. I don't know much about this one, or I wasn't planning on buying it. So we're gonna check this out. This is interesting on the JVC label. I never had that one before. So I guess JVC should sound pretty good. Here's some stickers. So gotta get moving. Cheers. Got some more stickers. I'm not gonna show the stickers. Gotta get moving. Got a whole bunch of stickers. And here's Sonoko Kawaii. Can't wait to hear that one. Here's Mako 4. I forgot her last name. It'll take me a minute to find it. And here's some more Kaze. Windless Blue. See the Kaze label. I think they're good jazz, pop kind of. Remind me of like Steely Dan. Very laid back, very cool sounding. Okay, this is a record that I got at their 4th, July the 4th sale. And this is it's a 12-inch single record by Akina Nakamori. So that's pretty cool. Then last but not least is another one I got that day. Is the Barbie Boys. This is the third break. So I'm just gonna let that do. And like I said, go out and support those guys. They're awesome. This video run a little bit long, but what can I say? Got some good stuff. So you know what I'm gonna be doing. And I got some more stuff coming. So thank you guys, and let's get out and support, like I said, Japanese vinyl, imports and stuff that I don't see at my local record stores. And also, they have a whole bunch of other sellers and awesome stuff on Whatnot. Like I said, you want to use my my code. I'm gonna leave down in the middle. I mean at the bottom. You want to use my code. You'll get $10 off, and I get $10. You know, everybody kind of help each other out. So go check out Whatnot. You know, I think it's the future of music. You know, so peace.